Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to wire the dual group power supply of this D-series. Let's take a look at its wiring panel first. L stands for fire wire, N stands for zero line. This represents the safety ground. Here is the input of 220 volts. COM usually represents the common terminal, but here COM represents the negative pole of the output. Positive 24 volts and positive 12 volts represent the positive pole of the output. Now we start wiring. Open the transparent cover first and loosen the wiring screws in turn. This red wire is connected to the live wire. This blue wire is connected to the neutral wire. This yellow-green wire is connected to the ground wire. The output terminal is connected to a 12-volt and 24-volt LED strip. The positive and negative poles are usually marked on the light strip. Let's take a look. The one on the left is the negative pole, and the one on the right is the positive pole. Let's wire according to this. Notice, it is recommended to use two output voltages at the same time, and use one output alone, which will easily lead to voltage instability. This 24-volt LED strip is also marked on it. This one is the positive pole. This one is the negative pole. Then cover the transparent cover, and finally turn on the power. Have you learned it?